Hello and welcome everyone. This is Ahmed Kabir from AllTechSoft. I'm an enterprise architect now exploring Google's Antigravity tool. It's a great IDE to develop applications. So let us explore it together by developing a web application, a responsive web application. That is what we are going to develop. Download Antigravity and experience the liftoff. It is indeed a liftoff with the next generation IDE. I had downloaded the Windows version and I will show you how it comes. This is how it looks like. I'm opening the folder. I created a folder called Replay Helper. This is the application which we are going to make. I had created the specification for that app earlier using ChatGPT and I expanded a little more. So the Replay Helper tool is designed to support customer representative by analyzing incoming customer messages to determine the sentiment, emotional tone, and urgency of the message. The tool will offer real-time feedback and suggest best possible replies to enhance the communication, reduce customer frustration, and maintain a professional, empathetic tone. That is the motivation behind the tool. So these are the core features. It will have sentiment analysis, sentimental classification, then emotional tone categories. There will be suggestions. Then the urgency detection part will be there. Then there is a text analysis side. Here you have to input the text, and it's nothing but a text box there to input the message. There will be a confidence score also being displayed. Then there will be real-time feedback. Then some replay suggestions also will be there. Then there will be a sentimental tone report. There will be visualization about all these things. The architecture we are going to deal with is with the front end will be using React, and the back end we are going to use Python. And from there we will use some models also. We may use Gemini or some models. Then this is the user flow. So I'll give this as an input for the agent. So we will start working on that. So I'm going to take the specification which we discussed earlier and copying that to our system, our IDE. I'm copying the specification. Up to here I am copying the security. We may not copy right now. So I'm copying that and I'm putting it here. Here I have the ability to take different models from within the Antigravity. So these are the models currently provided with Antigravity. They provide Gemini 3 Pro, Gemini 3 Pro low version, then Cloud Sonnet, that is also a good model, then Cloud Sonnet 4.5 thinking, Cloud Opus 4.5. These are the models currently provided with the Antigravity tool. So now I have given the specification here, and we are going to use the model Gemini. Let us see how it takes. I'm going to send that information. Is analyzing the folder. The model has received our inputs. It is in the thinking step now. It has created an implementation plan now. The review is requested. So from the input I gave, the agent is asking for certain reviews. project structure. It is coming up with the project structure here. Then the front end and back end it is describing. And I need to review and approve this specification, this whatever generated from my specification. So let me approve that. It's going to build more. It's creating the backend directories. Is asking me to give some approval. Created the backend repository. See the requirement folder. It is creating a Vite React app. So asking me to give permission, install. Agent is asking permission to run the command, so I give permissions. The front end folder is just created. The app.jxs file, app.cs, main.jxs, many files were created. Waiting for a command to complete. It will take 30 seconds. The front end is being run at localhost 5173. Initializing the front end, installing the Python dependencies. It's trying to run it actually. Doing the pip install on the requirement.txt. The backend Python dependencies are being installed. See, we have completed nearly 10 minutes making the CSS files. See, now we have the front end and the back end kind of done. It has created so many JSX files. JSX, app.jsx, main.jsx. Starting the backend and front-end servers for integration testing. The backend is already started in 127.0.0.1 5000. The front end also started on the 5173. Launching the browser. Successfully launched browser. Just open the browser. The agent opened the browser actually. So let us see what it does. It's trying to run some sample UTS. My order arrived broken and I demand a refund immediately. That was a customer message. So now the system is analyzing it. Is sentiment as neutral? It's working on it. The system is still trying to make the application. Antigravity is working and it is trying the browser also. See, it is doing the input and trying what is happening behind the scene. I'm reducing the window, the browser window. Still, it is working on that. After verifying through the browser, the agent is applying certain fixes and re-verifying what is going on. The testing is continuing. So I received a lot of code here. See how the NLP engine is working. I'm just showing the code. However, looks like it is not connected to the LLM. I don't see code, connecting to an LLM there. So I'll ask it to check for that. It is finalizing the documentation and notifying the user. This is a walkthrough created by the system. It says the front end is running in 5173 port and the back end is running in the 5000 port. So let me click the front end. Oh, this is the application. This is the customer message I received. So I'm just analyzing the message. The system says very negative and it detects the tone as well. Then it is replying with some suggestions as well. So that is kind of an expected system which we wanted to make. but I'm not sure whether it has used LLM for my analysis. So I will ask the Gravity tool to add the LLM features also. And I'm asking it to add the Gemini related code. So I would like to use Gemini as LLM here. So let us see what it does. Is updating the plan to integrate the Google Gemini. It will need an API key. Agent is trying to integrate with the Google Gemini. It is asking for the API key and approval for .env file. I have to approve that. Yeah, it puts some text below heuristic logic. I don't want that. It will be removing that. Then it will use Gemini API. Google Generative AI Python and Python.env it will be adding. Okay, good. The requirements also change there. For the Python side. See, the requirement .exe is for the Python dependencies. It uses that txt file for storing the module details, the library details. And it has created an environment file as well. So this is the environment file. So I have a Gemini API key. I'll just put that to here. System is waiting. So this is the implementation plan. Then what model it is using, we'll see. We'll use Gemini 2.5. I'm updating the Gemini version there. It was 1.5 earlier, so I put to Gemini 2.5 Flash. We can try other models as well, so I'm just putting Gemini 2.5 for now. This code is generated, and that will be used for contacting the Gemini API and come up with some results. Okay, so now that will be called from here. So when we ask for analyze from the front end, this code will be called. The system has integrated the LLM to the backend. No action required. Please open the backend .env file and replace the API key, which we already did. Now let us see what is happening now. So it went back and gave us some suggestion from the backend. Let us see. So these are the suggestions, replay suggestions. I'm sorry to hear you are frustrated, and I haven't received your order and haven't received your. Please accept our sincerest apologies for the inconvenience. I understand how. These are some of the reply suggestions. So, but again, I cannot copy, just by clicking a button there. So I want to add that feature as well. So I'm asking it to add copy button. Please add copy buttons to the next to the. Let's see whether it will do that. So this is our message. Our application now looks like this. The system is trying to update the UI with the copy button. Oh, it has added the copy buttons like we asked for. Cool. Our application is now ready. We can give a message, it will analyze the message, then it will tell you the sentiment of that message, and it will detect the emotions, and it will give us some replay suggestions also. Okay, and I would like to add one more feature now. I would like to add a day and light mode also. So now the screen looks like a night mode, right? So I would like to add another theme also. The text box is not seems to be aligned. It has been centralized. Now we will have one more feature. We will add a theme selector as well. A night theme and a day theme we will add. Also, so I'm asking for it to create a day mode. Can you create a day mode theme as well? Let us see what it says. Yes, it is creating, and the apps.js is going to be changed. See, we don't have a theme change button here, so probably it will come up with a theme change button. See, a theme change thing has come. Wow, that's beautiful. Accepting that. Then let us see how it looks like now. This is how the application looks like. Now, but the copy button is not visible in the other environment, right? We'll ask to correct them. Probably it will be visible, but it is not. It is there, but it may not be visible because of the color. So let us ask that. The copy buttons are missing in day mode. Please fix it. Let us see whether it has come now. Oh, great, it has come. See, the copy button has come. So what are the reply suggestions? I understand you are waiting for your item, and I apologize for the delay. That was one message. Then another one was, I'm checking the status of the message. I'll provide update on your order as quickly as possible. Different possibilities it is giving. So the user can copy that and reply back to the customer. So thank you everyone for listening, and I'm accepting the change here. See, it has created two sections. One is for the back end and another one for the front end. So within 45 minutes, we have completed a application end to end. It is integrated with Gemini as well. See? Thanks everyone for listening, and the app is ready now. I can deploy the Python code as well as the front end. Thank you everyone for listening.